Everyone, today is Thursday, 9th of May 24. I'm going to analyze DAX. So before we dig into any charts, let's have a look at what's happening. So today is so we've got the German and French bank holiday. So and also with US dollar, so we've got the unemployment claims, which we're expecting to a bit higher. That could effect on the price action, and you've got some lower sort of like impact news there. And also at 6 o'clock we've got the 30-year bond auction. So this won't affect till tomorrow, but this particular one will affect us. Also I have also noticed that we do have Bank of England interest rate, so we're expecting in about 1 hour. We're expecting to be the same 5.25%. So if it goes higher, that means the price of goods for export from the UK will be more expensive. So that could have an effect on the DAX if it changes. If it doesn't change, that means we could actually have similar price action. So I don't know this as much, so I don't usually concentrate on the UK data, but it could have an effect because it's a major news on DAX. So let's dig into a bit further on this. So then we've got the FOMC member speak at 7. So but the major news I would say is unemployment claims and 30-year bond auction. So let's have a look at the daily and the 4-hour chart. So we look at that. So in the last sort of, I would say from May, so we really had this push to the upside. So we broke this range, the 4-hour range. We broke this range to the upside, and now we are testing the all-time high, which is here. So I have to clear this a little bit more, but in the 4-hour you can see that we broke this zone, and we pretty much broke this zone as well over the Asian range, but we are really testing this zone. So even though if we say this is a zone, we are really testing to see if it's going to hold this zone, or if it's going to go lower. So that's the biggest hurdle today. So we have to wait and see. So I have changed in my chart slightly. So we've got the 10 minutes I can actually hear, 30 minutes normal candle, Japanese candle, and the 3 minutes here. So on the 30 minutes you can see the prices has tried to creep up, but even during the Asian range so we are still bouncing back and forward between the Asian range. So if it can hold this zone, this is what I was trying to explain. So if it can try to hold this zone, let me just make it bigger so we can see. If we can try this, hold this zone, we could go higher. But if it doesn't, I'm expecting we could go lower. But low could be as low as 18,450. So this is the major support zone at 4-hour. So let's dig into my prediction. So on the 10 minutes. So we could see some signal to enter if it holds this. So these are my three I would say trade ideas. So all of the 30 minutes, 10 minutes, and the 4-hour looking bullish if it holds this zone. So I'm looking for like long over here. So also continuation. If it doesn't and it breaks Asian range low, like if it breaks this zone, then I'm looking for short, but short of like going not any lower than this zone. So I hope you found this video useful, and please like my video if you like it. Thank you very much, and hope to see you tomorrow.